the real black market rates for dollars, all right? This dollar conversation has been on for the past few months, like everybody knows about dollar movement in Nigeria right now. But let me tell you the real black market rates for dollars. Many times when they put the rates out there, the rates are usually for the $100 bills. Black market guys, many of them will not give you the same rate if you're bringing $1 to change to Naira, like a $1 denomination or a $5 denomination or a $10 denomination. It's very few that will do that for you. Many of them will tell you that, $1 is, maybe the going rate is 1,500. They may tell you that, $1 note is 1,200. If you are bringing $5 note, it's 1,000, maybe 300. And maybe you've planned in your mind that you heard that dollar is now 1,005 and you had maybe 10 $1 notes. Like that. In your mind, you're going to collect 15,000 just to get there, and they'll tell you that $1 note oga is 1,200 and $5 note is 1,300. You see, it's lower than what is out there. But if you go with a $100 bill, they'll give you that rate, or maybe a $50 bill. But sometimes as it goes lower, they will renegotiate and make the bill lower. So in essence, that is not the real rate. So this rate is different from this rate, and yet it's the same currency. So when you are planning your exchange rates and you have those smaller bills, ask for their rates for smaller bills and ask for their rates for bigger bills so that will help you plan accordingly. At the bank, it's not the same. At the bank, they will give you, whatever bills, whatever money is money. But in the black market, it's a different way of operating in the streets, all right? So like when maybe you are Ghana, you now send somebody to go and change money for you, or you send somebody, you give your friend to help you change $1 bills, and the person comes back with something less than what you planned. Don't be thinking they stole your money. These are the things that happen in the street. So always find out before you go on such ventures. So people may not know this until you hit the streets. And when you get there, most of you can't turn back because you're already there. Maybe the transport cost of fuel of going back is no longer there, especially when you're dealing with smaller denominations. So have this at the back of your mind, all right? Because when they want to sell to you, many times they will sell to you at their selling rates. You see how this thing goes? Well, that's why they call it the streets, all right? So if you don't know the streets will run you. Of course, we don't want the streets to run you. Just like P Square, we want you to run the streets, all right? So you run the streets with knowledge, you run the streets with insight, you run the streets with experience, all right? So that at every point in time, you get the best value for your money, for your dollars, euro, pounds, whatever currency you're using, all right? So if you have any question regarding this, feel free to drop it in the comment sections. If you have any contributions, any stories around this, of course, you're welcome. We'd like to engage with you in the comment sections. And of course, if I have the answers to your question, I'll definitely let you know. If I do not have the answers to your question, I'll go check them out. And if I can't find them anywhere, or really can't find them anywhere, I will leave you to your God. All right? See you in my next video.